Exhale, bend the knees, plant your hands on the mat. Step or jump your feet back to a plank pose. And from a plank pose, side plank on the left, right arm reaches up. Hips moving up, left shoulder strong. And side plank to the other side, right hand on the mat. Left arm reaches up. Both hands on the mat. Side plank, left arm down, right arm up. Now we have an option to bend the right knee and lift it up. And side plank the other side. Left knee bend, lift it up. And side plank the other side. Right knee up, right arm up. And step the right foot behind the left knee and sit down on the mat. With the right hand, grab the outer left foot. Maybe you need to bend the knee and then lift it up. Nice. And you can also lift the left arm. And you can also lift the right leg. Great. We bend the right knee again, step it on the mat, all the way down. This is the position. Push through the right foot, push through the left hand, hips up, wild thing pose. Bring the outer left foot on the mat, side plank. And from side plank, step the right foot forward, close to the left hand. So we were here, wild thing. Then we come into side plank. Then we step the right foot forward. The wild thing. Side plank. And step it forward. Once you step it forward, bring the left knee on the mat. And bring both hands on the mat. Let's have the back toes curled. And we push the hips back. We can also sit down on our left heel. Inhale, come forward, low lunge. And exhale, pyramid pose. This time front foot is planted. And just breathe in here, feel the good stretch on the back side of the right leg. Bend your front knee, step your left foot close to the right, and give yourself a big hug. Choose your favorite variation. Every time I'm doing different one just to give you ideas. Release your legs if you're holding to them. Bring your hands on the mat and step your feet back to plank pose. And from a plank pose, we go side plank on the right side. Left arm reaches up. Left knee goes up. And left foot step behind the right knee. We sit down. Nice and easy. Then we're gonna grab the outer right foot with the left hand. And we lift that foot up. The other arm Right arm, left leg. Then right arm reaches out the side. Twist. Optional, left leg goes up. Great. Inhale. Exhale all the way back. Left foot on the mat, bend. Right hand on the mat. Release the right foot. Now it comes. Andrea's favorite wild thing pose. Hips up. Chest open. Right shoulder blade retracted. And we do transition to a side plank. For a side plank, we want only the outer right foot. And left knee up. Oops. And from side plank, we step left foot forward close to the right hand. Now we do this a few times. So there we go. We were in wild thing pose, hips up. Side plank. And left foot step forward. Let's do one more time. Wild thing pose. Side plank, left knee up. And left foot step forward, close to the right hand. And right knee on the mat. Right. Both hands on the mat. Push your hips back until you sit on the right heel. Right toes are curled. And your head come forward. Pyramid pose. Left foot on the mat. Hips squaring forward. From a pyramid pose, pivot on the left heel. Find your right leg forward fold. Both feet pointing in and grab your big toes. Halfway up, inhale. Exhale, fold.